Hey YouTube, welcome to Abby Ray Vlogs. Sneaker edition.
Hey guys, so it's Saturday, we're just chilling. It's too cold outside, so we're just hanging out inside. As you can see, this is King Berber. This is Raymer and his sister Kathleen's dog. It's not my dog, I wish it was. He's so perfect. But we're gonna do a how-to video. Raymer is a sneakerhead and he just got his newest Yeezys adding to his collection. And he's gonna show you how to protect the soles. Isn't that right, King? Shh.
Link, ice blue mink, tat on my wrist like I do not know what permanent is.
He got it on goat.com. Go there if you want to get authenticated sneakers, all you sneakerheads. These are the latest Adidas Yeezy's Boost 350. What color is this one?
This is the blue tint.
The blue tint. Ooh.
So guys, with every GOAT purchase, I'll come with this.
Nice.
So it's been authenticated, make sure it's real.
Don't be buying no fake Yeezys out there.
It's been signed.
Okay. Go ahead. Hey. So this is the Yeezys with the blue tint?
Yes.
It looks greenish to me. That's styrofoam?
No, they're not styrofoam.
So these are the shoes everyone goes crazy about when they come out. Nice. Why do you like Yeezys?
I'm a hype beast though.
Okay.
This comes out, I'm about to get it.
Uh-huh. But you just get the colors you
But no,
like.
they're really comfy. I actually wear them. I don't display it. I wear them.
Uh-huh. And later in this video, you're gonna show how you protect the soles?
Yes.
Okay.
So this is what I'm using.
Sole shields.
Read it.
Sole shields.
So my cousin, who is a sneakerhead, like a legit sneakerhead, actually told me to get these. And I got the 3-pack. So
How much are they?
well, one is like 25 bucks, but I got this during Christmas, and it was 3 for $50, so it's really a good deal. So basically you
Buy
get
two, get one free. Nice.
So I plan on wearing these shoes tomorrow when we go out, so I have to protect the soles. I hate getting the soles dirty. I said the soles, not you.
I got King's hair.
So we're gonna open it. Get 4 traction pads so you don't slip and slide. And get alcohol wipes to wipe your sneakers off before applying the film. You are going to need scissors, pen, marker, heat gun, and a flat surface. So, flat surface, check. Got the scissors and pencil, and I got the heat gun. First thing you do, guys, is use the cleaning wipes to prep your sole. Make sure it's clean. I mean, this is brand new. I haven't worn it or anything, but I'm still gonna clean it.
Yep, it's made with bits of real panther, so you know it's good.
Now you do the left side.
Yeah. Brian, I'm gonna be honest with you, that smells like pure gasoline. 60% of the
Next step is put the shoes on the pad. Make sure you get even spaces. Take your pencil, trace around the shoes. Next step is cut outline peel off. Peel it off.
Eventually.
Can't rush. Can't rush me.
Ooh.
Make sure you position this on top of the sole. And just smooth it out. Next step, you take your heat gun, just put it on low heat, and just heat up the whole sole. So next one's the right side.
Just repeat the steps: peel, stick, and heat.
So everything's done. Make sure you just smoothen the sides, because like say if you trip on a rock, it will peel off if you don't apply it right. But make sure everything is flat, everything is smooth, heat it up really well. Yep, so finish. Now all you gotta do is put the traction pads. What I do is I just put the whole pad. It says on the instructions to cut it out to match your sole, but so put one where your toes are and put one where your heels are.
So there you have it, Ray's tutorial on how to keep your soles clean. All you sneakerheads out there, go ahead and invest in this product if you want to keep them soles clean. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Do a thumbs up, comment below if you do like these videos, how-to videos, and we can see if we can do some more how-to videos for you guys.
We're also doing it on cars, motorcycles. I am a part-time mechanic. I do everything on my cars, everything on my motorcycle. So I'm basically a handyman. I'm an overall guy. I can do everything. So holla at your boy.
All right, see you next time. Bye.